Full sincerity. If you do that with full potential, success will kiss your hand. Everybody will be successful. Everybody. I am just giving you a promise. But we are not doing that. Because our subconscious mind doesn't work that way. What is subconscious mind? It will be a big chapter. I can talk on hours. In our Indian tradition, there is a concept of sankalpa. What is sankalpa? It's not a word. Sankalpa, when you do a ritual, during any ritual, the Brahmin will ask you to do a sankalpa. What is sankalpa? Sankalpa means actually conscious mind. No. Sankalpa is something which you would like to transfer it to the subconscious mind to do the work. And subconscious mind never works negatively by design. It is positive. That's why we transfer it to from conscious to subconscious mind. Anyway, sankalpa. So, if you work like that with full potential and full sincerity, you will be successful in life. And it is true for everybody. But we are not investing our full potential. We are not investing our full sincerity, all the tasks. Let it be a task assigned to a teacher. Let it be a task assigned to a student. If you self-analyze yourself, you will find whatever task you are assigned or we are assigned, we are not doing it with our full potential. And if you do it with full potential, outcome will be definitely a huge positive. I can prove it just in front of you. Let me prove it. Do you want to see the proof? Okay. If you want to see the proof, please give me a clap. When I requested you to give a clap, big clap, how much of your potential you have invested? Is it the full potential? No. I am sure all of you have invested not more than approximately 25% of your potential. This professor is asking, Vice Chancellor is asking to motivate him. Let me give him the potential. ঠিক আছে, ওনাকে খুশি করার জন্য একটা ক্ল্যাপ দিয়ে দে, ঠিক তাই না? Don't reason when something is assigned to you. I requested you to clap. You clap it with full potential. Now, please invest your full potential. So this is because unconsciously or subconsciously we want to preserve our energy, potential, and we want to invest only the minimal of it. That's why return is minimal. If you invest your potential 25%, you can expect 25% return. But for every small work, if you invest your full potential, the return will be qualitative and it will be huge. And that's we are not doing. And if you ask me what is your secret of success in your career, academic career and also literary career, I am also an author. Because when I write a short story, I write it with my full potential, full sincerity. When I teach a student in the class, just like today, I want to make my every class alive, like today. It is my extreme court speech. I have requested her to give me a piece of paper. I am not prepared to these things. But when I deliver it, when I want to connect it to the students, I have to connect it with my pedagogy. My pedagogy is this wood pencil I have used as an example. So you follow. So every class is a challenge for a teacher to make it alive, make it a quality class, and the students will be eager to this. Roll number, attendance. I never take attendance like that. I share it to people. In my class, more than the students of that class try to attend from electronics, from mechanical, they want to attend my class. Why? Because they have seen for last 33 years, honestly speaking, I am very sincere teacher and I invest my full potential for every class. If the teachers of this school, this is the first time I am meeting you, if the teachers of this school do this from today, every class you invest your full potential, invest your full sincerity, come with full preparation, make it connected with the student, you see how excitement, how much excited the students will be, the learners will be awakened. They are now awakened. When I started my deliberation, they were sleeping. And after clapping, they are now energetic. Okay, because this is the self recharging. It's the recharger is with the teacher. But to climb up in the life, I must have a ladder. জীবনে উপরে ওঠার জন্য আমার একটা মইয়ের দরকার, মানে আমার ঠারে মাপতে গেলে কেইরাটা আনার দরকার। কেইরাকে আনো ধাপে 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 আমি বোঝে কাইয়া কেইরা খান কি হান ladder and full ladder. That ladder is given in India called Panchakusha. Anybody here who heard the word Panchakusha, which is available in Tattariya Upanishad? Panchakusha means 5 layers are there. All the yogi rishis, sadhus, they are doing this Panchakusha. Now Panchakusha is incorporated in NEP 2020 foundation course because this is the ladder which leads the students towards the success. Have you read the NEP framework document which is available online for the foundation stage and the other stages? Panchakusha is there. And we also learned it because we have to implement it in our NEP 2020 curriculum. So what is Panchakusha? First Kusha layer is called Annamaya Kusha. It is available taken from Tattariya Upanishad. This is the ladder of success. অর্থাৎ জীবনে সফল হওয়ার কে রাখানে First is Annamaya Kusha. Annamaya Kusha is our physical body which is surviving on Anna. If you are strong physically, then only you will be successful. So first you have to be strong in the Annamaya Kusha by any means. Second one is called Pranamaya Kusha. This energy level. So students must be vibrant in this physical level and Pranamaya Kusha, energy level. There are Pancha Pranas. You heard this Radha and Krishna's song, Pancha Pranan Huriya Nilava. Which are these 5 prans? Pran, Apan, Nidhan, Dhyan, Tasam, Pranas. That is 5 types of energy flows, circuits in our body. And we have to circulate that energy through yoga or any way, every day, every moment. Then only you will be energetic. Third is called Manamaya Kusha. That is mind, which controls all the Pancha Indriyas. That is mind. But mind cannot judge what is right and wrong. This is an emotion. That's why next Kusha is called Vigyanmaya Kusha, which is Buddhi controls that. And last one is called Anandamaya Kusha. Anandamaya Kusha means this is the bliss layer. And where Chitta is there and Bhavas are, the Pancha Bhavas are there. This is the framework given by this. And that's why those yogis who cross these 5 layers step by step and reach to Anandamaya Kosha, their name is given with Ananda, Vivekananda, Sarupananda, Shivananda. That Ananda we have got physical pleasure by drinking chocolate, alcohol also somebody gets. That's not Ananda. This is the lower level Ananda. And then finally the Atma Ananda, that is only if you can reach. So this is done by the Yogi Rishis for the upliftment, for spiritual path. Now this model is taken for education and implemented. If the teachers and students study this, it's available in YouTube and these things. You will enjoy. You will be energetic in the class, energetic in life. You will be very happy in life, blissful life.
That is, in future, what subjects will be there in demands which I can take?
Which stream you are interested in?
Yes, sir.
Science,
Science, yes, sir.
arts, humanities, now all are equally important. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in our time, people used to choose only science. Now there are many students, even some students got them full concentration. Distractors are what are the distractors? Or মনোযোগও আনরে মনোবিয়োগ করে তার মধ্যে কোনটায় your mobile, your this, your that. So you are scattering your attention to multiple dimensions. That's why you cannot concentrate. Okay. But when you do yoga practice you do. Yoga you do. Okay. For concentration, meditation. Okay. Just you practice with under some experts are there here. I don't know. In my university, I have yoga science and yoga teachers are there. Expert yoga teachers are there, and it is mandatory for every student to do it. Okay. So this yoga, if you practice for concentration, this is the best way. I mean meditation, but you should do under some guidance, not by the YouTube. These things. Okay. And distraction, because nowadays students are suffering from the symptom of distraction. Okay.
Yes,
and
sir.
distractions are there, different parameters are there. Suppose you are studying, okay, studying, and at the same time horn is thinking, horn goro hai, gore TV chaitra, owe takor tara torda scattered dole ka program. Utar vitore concentration anai. You see, let me give my example. Don't feel it. I can. How many hours do you study?
Sir, 6 hours.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
So, okay, you try to increase. During my PhD, at that age, after marriage, after having 2 children, I studied how many hours? Can you?
24.
17 hours. Even at this age, I can study non-stop, except natural calls, I can study 17 hours. Okay?
You provide us some tips in self-study.
Self-study. Oh, this is the, actually study, teachers are helpers. They help you to study. What is required is your thirst for knowledge. মানে ती जे हिकानी मुनावरी, ओनर खोरावन थाना लगता. মানে in general, I would like to say for all that the objective of education or university or a school is to bring the horse to the side of water and to make it thirsty. Quenching is up to the horse. So we are to develop to the students first the facts and figures knowledge, then comprehension skill, understanding, and then analytical skill, and then synthesis skill, and